This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. So today I'm just going to be analysing my most recent trade on the Nasdaq. I'm going to be explaining why I entered where I did and what was my mentality going into this trade. So before I do that, let's just take a look at last week's analysis. So last week we said that we were looking for a long position on the Nasdaq as we had bottomed out and we'd broken through this 12,700 level, and we were looking to bounce from this level and we were going to target these highs at around 13,300. So let's just take a look at that. So this is where we're at today. We've had a bit of a pullback and now price is starting to move higher. So on the 4-hour chart, we're just expecting price to reach almost these highs here before pulling back and then moving up further. So as we can see here, we were correct in our analysis and price bounced off this level here and moved straight up to this level here. And we took advantage of that on the 15-minute time frame. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, so as we can see here, price had just broken this minor area of resistance. We then had a retest of that level where price was making lower lows. We had the signal from the Elder algorithm itself. So I was just waiting for a break of this trend line to confirm my entry. And we had that at this bullish candle here. So I entered as soon as that bullish candle closed. And then I was waiting for price to make its way up to the 13,300 level. As soon as I saw rejection from this level, I closed out with around 310 pips. I had a stop loss just below the recent low at around 80 pips, which gives me a risk to reward of just under 1 to 4, which is excellent. So what are we expecting from here? Well, price has just made its way up to the 13,300 level once again, so we'll look to see a bit of a deeper pullback before we take another buy position. So looking at the daily time frame, we can see that price has now just gone into an uptrend, as we can see from the trend trader indicator. So we could see a little bit of a push, a pullback, and then price is going to move higher. And we're going to look to enter on that pullback. As we can see here, this is what we do. We wait for the pullback to the trend trader indicator, and then we look for our entry on the 15-minute time frame.